Hello, welcome. This is Lisa from Lisa Ann Studios. Today I'm going to be working on a Resin Geode painting, two 12 by 12 panel boards. And I'm going to start off by laying out some fiberglass and a pattern that I chose and working with my fingers and trying to keep that in line, and then adding in some crushed glass that I got from Michael's. And I'm going to link all the items I've used in the description below. But as I try to work that into the shape that I was looking for, and then you'll come in and see me drizzle that with resin to keep it in place, and then we need to let that sit overnight for 24 hours and let that cure. Here we are the next day, and we're going to be putting all the colors down. I'm starting off with the sterling silver. That's going to run around each layer of the crystals, and then we're going to come in with the rest of the colors. The next color you'll see is going to be the Quartz white from Dianka Pours, which actually the sterling silver and the Quartz white is both her colors, just beautiful colors. And then I also have a color Cottage's Pearl White Shimmer, which again is another wonderful color I loved using. And you'll also see me come in with the Luxe Turquoise Pigment Powder. And then I'll be working in some clear resin in there, moving a lot of that around and blending it some with my hands, but trying not to overblend. And then I come in again with the heat gun to mix some of the colors a little bit together. Here I'm coming in with, we are then the next day here, and then I came in and I already did the glitter lines that I used, and I mixed that some very thick silver glitter, and with that glitter mixed it with resin and poured those glitter lines. You have to have it very, very thick. And then I'm coming in with markers and just outlining that, some silver Arteza markers, and you'll see me. What I'm doing here is outlining the crystals with a silver pigment mixed with a gloss varnish, which I've also linked the gloss varnish that I'm using along the bottom. So this is just adding some accents and some layering to the painting. And I'll do that all along the sides there. And here we are, we're coming in for the next day, and I'm doing a full coat of resin, covering the, other than the crystal parts, I'm covering the rest of the painting with this to give it more layers. And then we'll let this dry for 24 hours once that's all settled. You also see me here coming in with some extra crystals, just to add on top to, and drizzle a little bit of resin just to try to give it some added shine to that as well. So then I decided I wanted more shine, so I decided to add a little glitter to that. That's some holographic glitter from Reflections, extra fine polyester glitter. Turned out kind of give it some cool shine to the top of those. Here again, after next day again, so this obviously is a several day project. So I'm coming back in with the gloss varnish with the sterling silver pigment and mixing that together and adding that for yet another layer on the side of the crystals there. I'll go through and do that, and then I'll come in and add some of the Arteza white and silver paint markers along. Again, just more depth. This is the final painting after it was done. I just love all the sparkle and shine that this has. You can see where the glitter and the layers. I just love that pearl shimmer color in there. Gives it lots of depth. Again, this is Lisa from Lisa Ann Studios. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.